Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming where the plus sign appears and why. Is it literal text or a formula indicator? Once done, make a backup copy and open the duplicate so you can safely change many cells. Next, toggle Show Formulas with Control+ to see raw entries. This helps you decide if you'll edit text values versus formulas. If entries are text with plus at left, prepare to use Replace or a formula fix. If they're formulas, you'll adjust how Excel interprets them. Now choose a method based on the pattern. For simple text, press Ctrl+H, set find to plus sign, and replace with nothing. Make sure search is set to sheet and match entire cell contents is off. If numbers need conversion, use equals value, write A1 len A1 minus 1, then fill down and paste values. For mixed data, use data text to columns with delimited set to none to force reparse. Make sure to preview before replacing many cells to avoid unintended data loss. Finish by converting helper formulas into static values. Copy the cleaned column, then paste special values to lock results. Once done, delete any temporary columns and recheck totals or charts. If something breaks, immediately undo and inspect for leading apostrophes or invisible characters. Use len and code to diagnose hidden bytes. Make sure to run isNumber on a sample to confirm numeric conversion. If you still see a plus, reopen Show Formulas and trace precedents to find lingering formulas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.